If you are tired of this annoying loud beep sound, we will show you how to decrease its volume. For this, you will need an old credit card or any other thin piece of plastic. Push the card under the display along the entire perimeter to detach it. Detach the display cover. Here you can see the buzzer connected to the board. In the middle of the buzzer there is a hole from which the sound comes out. Our solution is to cover the hole so the sound becomes quieter. Let's check the difference by covering it with a finger. I like the result, so let's use electrical tape to cover it. Let's use multiple layers of tape. Let's glue it to the bottom. After that, we can put the display back. Let's check the result. Don't worry, the security alarms had another buzzer and this workaround won't affect the alarm.